150 na lang. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. Kasi talaga, it's very difficult. You know, your love and support is very much valued talaga mga kababayan. That is why, ba yan? Malapit na ba? Oh my God, I cannot believe. Honestly, I really cannot. Oh my God, 100 na lang. Oh my God. Look. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna cry. But I will not cry kasi I don't know. Ang lechon duri kay, I think Ate Alet kay 350, 400, something like that. So, nag-iisa ka Alvin naka-live ng 8 hours more than. Ana, maraming salamat ma'am. You know yung nangyari kay PRRD ngayon, nakitaan din natin na kailangan din natin ng collective effort in order to show our strength and in solidarity yung mga kababayan natin, mga Filipinos. Doon kay oh my God, now, ano ko kulbaan mo ko guys. Actually nakulbaan ko kanang 90 na lang. Grabe kayo guys, honestly. Thank you guys sa inyong suporta sa ko ha. Thank you guys sa inyong tanan. Kanang wala di ko gada kung sa akong kinabuhi ever na mahitabo ni siya. I tried to look for to do these things na mag-vlog, magganito ganyan because I wanted before to pag mag-abroad ka, pwede na lang ka mag-vlog for whatever reason or whatnot. But honestly, it's not possible. If you're looking at doing these things because you are aiming for money, hindi talaga siya mangyari gang. Kaya ang ginawa ko ngayon ginawa ko lang ang aking secret ingredient lang talaga dito sa ginawa ko is really to be myself and to show to the whole world, ang mga kababayan natin na mahal ko talaga yung ginagawa ko. Na wala akong pakialam kung hindi ako magustuhan o magustuhan ako. Basta ang akin, diretso lang ako sa anong tama. Hello Ma'am Solano Inoue, salamat po ma'am. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. Honestly, I cannot. Oh my God, 73 na lang. Totoo lang sa inyo. Thank you for believing in my conviction and my discernment na honestly, I cannot follow you. Thank you, Lira. Maraming salamat, Lira. Oh my God. It's 64 na lang. Lord, grabe ka, Lord. Wow, grabe ka. Grabe talaga si Lord, guys. It's 63 na lang. Oh my God, it's 62. Can you imagine? I only wanted this because I know na kailangan ni PRRD ng kahit isang Pilipino man lang. Kahit ako lang mag-isa before. Wala akong pakialaman kung ako lang mag-isa. Honestly, hindi ako, oh my God, 55. That's only 45 more. Hindi ako natakot talaga, I swear. Ang na-feel ko lang, mas tumindi pa yung lakas ng loob ko. Iniisip ko palagi, no. Iniisip ko nga kahit mahuli na lang ako ng pulis doon, pupunta talaga ako. Wala akong pakialam. Basta makita lang ni PRRD na merong isang Pilipino naghawid ng flag doon. Yan talaga yung nasa puso ko guys, sa totoo lang. before. Thank you, Mom. Countdown road to 1. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Oh my God. 27 na lang. I cannot, honestly. It's 27. 25. Thank you, everyone. Grabe yung support ba kayo? Overwhelming kayo yung support sa kuha. Grabe. I cannot believe it. Oh my God, 9 na lang gang. How do I? 7. Thank you so much sa inyong tanan, honestly. 6. 5. 4. Grabe. Thank you po. Oh my God! I did it! Oh my God! Siya po ang... Thank you guys sa inyong tanan. I really did it, mga kababayan. Look at this. Oh my God, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you kayo, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you everyone. Sa inyong lahat na naniniwala sa akin. Thank you guys sa inyong tanan, honestly. I cannot thank you enough for the... I cannot, honestly, I cannot. Oh my God, thank you sa inyong lahat. Honestly, I cannot believe it na you are doing this. Oh my God, namurahog na nalokas akong utok kang. Thank you kaayo sa inyong lahat. Wala, thank you so much sa inyong kama. I cannot. Hello, thank you guys sa inyong tanan, guys. My decision of na mag-live ko, no, actually is very amazing. Thank you, Lord. Oh my God, I can't believe it, honestly. Thank you, Mom. That's so amazing, Mom. Thank you. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Talaga yun. Thank you, Mom Rose. This year is really the most craziest year I've ever had in my life, honestly. Thank you, Gang. Thank you, Lars. Thank you, Wendy. Thank you sa inyong lahat na nagtiwala sa akin, honestly. I cannot believe it. I really cannot believe it, mga kababayan, that this is the amount of love and support that I received. Thank you so much, good sa inyong tanan, honestly. Ako rin yung mahatag sa inyo, guys. My unwavering dedication and love para ipagpatuloy ang laban, hindi lang pagkatapos ng may labas na si PRRD. Patuloy pa, meron pang 2028. Meron pa hanggang sa kung kaya ko pa. Hanggang sa meron pa akong maibigay sa inyo na meron pa akong silbi sa inyo, honestly. But honestly, grabe akong emotions actually, no? Kanang nangurog ko sa kakuan, sa reality ba na?
Het volgende station
Oh my God, I'm so dramatic.
Dit is het laatste
Grabe
station
ka
waar je
dramatic,
kunt
Ali.
reizen met de OV-chipkaart of betaalpas. Vergeet niet om uit te checken.
I never
Reis je
thought
naar
that,
België? Zorg dan voor een geldig Belgisch treinkaartje. La prochaine gare est Elsden. Il s'agit de la dernière gare où vous pouvez voyager muni de la carte à puce OV-chip carte ou d'un passe payant. Veuillez ne pas oublier de présenter votre titre de transport à la sortie. Si vous poursuivez votre voyage vers la Belgique, assurez-vous d'être muni d'un titre de transport belge valable. Der nächste Bahnhof ist Alsten. Dies ist der letzte Bahnhof, zu dem Sie mit der Notfallschiffbahn mit Ihrer Bahnkarte reisen können. Vergessen Sie nicht nach dem Ausstieg aufzutreten. Reisen Sie weiter nach Belgien, benötigen Sie ein gültiges Ticket.
Dili. Dili ang good siya. It's not an easy dili ang good siya easy na journey, guys. It is a journey filled with so many complex situations that really requires you to be strong, that really requires you to be resilient, that really requires you to be almost indestructible, because there will always be